Hey you guys, welcome back. Today is part 2 of my skincare regime. So if you really want to be up on your serums, you can throw in your Hydrating B5 Gel by oh my gosh, I can't talk today, you guys. SkinCeuticals. I don't even know if it's cuticles, but I think it's Ceuticals. But it's Hydrating B5 Gel. This is a good one, obviously hydrates you. And then the other 2 serums that I have, it's not like I do this every night, you guys, but I'm just showing you the things that I do have, and sometimes I'll go one night with, one night without. But there's a gel Photo Corrector. So it's a Complexion Calming Gel. It's really green, I don't know if you can see it. But I tend to have like a red face, sensitive, like I got, you know, all the not great stuff about it I got. So this is a corrective gel. I really like this stuff. And then there's a Florentine CF. So this is like an oh my goodness, you guys, what is this the 100th time? This is an antioxidant treatment combining 2% fluoretine, and I can't read, 10%, oh no, I don't know if I want to do this, ascorbic acid, and 0.5% ferulic acid. I think I butchered this, but the Florentine CF is also good, as I've been told. So after I finish my serums, I'm gonna go into the Daily Power Defense. This is like my moisturizer for the evening. Again, I'm going back to the Zoe. Lastly, I put on my Bright Alive Skin Brightener. That's pretty much my whole product regimes that I do at night. Okay, next I want to talk about is the Sulfur Mask. So this is a mask I put on probably every second night. It's also good for spot treatment. So if I do have a zit, I'll put that on like every day, doesn't matter, every night. But the mask I just do every second night. But this is a really, really good mask. I really love it. One other thing that I use because I do get so red is something called the Redness Neutralizer. And what it does is it combats environmental factors, comforts skin, and helps visibly reduce the appearance of redness. I mean, come on, redness in a bottle, redness eraser in a bottle.